Hi guys! So, this is what my crib looks like when plans don't go the way they're supposed to. So, I have missed quite a few theme Thursdays. I don't know if you can tell. Let's see, in the background here, we have fall colors, and I still have my little pumpkins. And even here, my little sweet Vincent here was ready. He has his fall colors on. And an outfit laying here. There's a two-piece. Fall colors. Yeah, I didn't quite make that one, did I? And then I was trying to get ready for this last theme Thursday. Well, actually, even before that theme Thursday, I missed my babies. And I tried to come in here, and I was like, you know what? I haven't been feeling well, basically, and I didn't know how many of them I was going to miss. I said, you know what? Let me just get the babies ready for Christmas. That's what I'll do. I'll get them ready for Christmas. So I started dressing them. My little guy over here in the corner, Royce. Yes, it's a boy. Yes, he's wearing a pink hat. But I got his little outfit out first. I'm like, oh. So he's got his little penguins. I've got his head. Don't worry, guys. I got his head. He's got his little penguins and Santa Claus. And he's got Santa on his feet. So, I was fitting him for this hat. Because I made this hat. I finally got things right. And so I need to make him one because it fits him perfectly. I just need to make him a different one. Maybe not the pink one. But he's a trooper, so you know. he knows it's all with good intentions. So that's my little Royce. He's all ready, and he has his little penguins with earmuffs. So cute. So he was my first little guy that I got ready because he was still in his Halloween clothes. So, and I wanted to try this hat on him. This little hat that I made. It turned out cute. I'm so happy I finally getting this down. Now I just need to learn how to make them bigger and bigger. So, my sweet little boy. So I got him ready. And then, of course, I had to leave again. And I was like, you know what? I said, that was a great idea. I said, I'm going to get everybody ready in their Christmas stuff. And I said, you know what? I think a lot of my girls have penguin stuff. And then the theme Thursday came out. I was like, yes! I have some dressed and ready. So... This is as far as it got, guys. This is as far as it got. But, yeah. And then, I was going to come in here and set everybody up and find some more, things. And I'll be like, I'll be able to do my theme Thursday. It'll be quite a few days late. But, I'm so, well, not quite a few, because it's just 2 days. Anyway, and I wanted to get the crib ready, because I'm expecting a Paradise Galleries baby, Tuesday. So, wandered around, and I go, you know what, let me check. Well, it turned out, they said, well, we're going to deliver it Saturday instead. Whoa. Okay, awesome. So, now I don't know what to do with my crib. So, baby's coming early. And then I guess I just decided to check before I came in here. And the baby was delivered. And I was like, what? Wait, what? So at 10 a.m., which is completely not like my post office at all, because I don't get stuff until like 5:30 at night. And then I'm just too tired. I'm ready for bed. Seriously, I feel like I get up too early, so I go to bed early. Anyway, so the baby's here, and this is what my crib looks like. So I can't even do my box opening yet. So they're so cute. I wanted to show you. I'm going to rearrange them a little bit better so you can see them pretty, and I'll be right back. Oh, that's better. Okay. Look at the sweet girls. They both have penguins. Look how cute. I love, love, love penguins. So little Ella and little Everly. And Everly's little penguins have little dresses on and little pearls and little scarves. Look how cute. Is that, and little hats. Little hats. And little bows. Got little bows. So we even have blue penguins. So then that work for birds and anything that starts with B. So we have penguins, and we have blue penguins, and we have bows and blue bows, and pink bows and purple bows. And her little penguins, look how cute! Little earmuffs, little sweaters, and little pink bows. I love them in earmuffs. They're so cute. They're wearing different colored earmuffs. Purple, pink, and blue. There's the blue ones. And little hats. I know I saw a hat peek out. There's one. With scarves lined in blue. It's upside down. So there's their birdies. And here's my baby boy. He's wearing navy blue. And he's cuddling with his blankie. And, oh, that's my Vincent. Sorry if I didn't say that earlier. This is my baby Vincent. And there's my baby Avery. So she has a pink bow. A pink... What's the B word for pacifier? Oh, binky. I was like, I know there's a B. Binky. And she's wearing blue. And she has a blue bear. And her little thing says BFF. And she has birdies. And she's got a cute little penguin with a little hat and little heart. You can see his little heart. And then she has owls. She's got owls all over her. And like I said, she's wearing blue. Because she just looks adorable in blue. Look at her. And she has blue eyes. Blue eyes. And, hold on, I'm going to show you. I don't think my nursery's ever been this in disarray. I'm going to show you. Hold on. Charlotte is still wearing her mermaid from Purple Day. There's the blanket I just took off the nursery. There's the Halloween blanket. I just moved all the other babies off of here and put them up. Holly still sits there because this is basically her chair. This is where she sits. Here's a baby that I'm supposed to paint. But look, he's wearing blue. He has blue anchors and a blue whale spouting out blue water. So this little guy is the Jake kit. No, yes. Okay, he's the Jake kit, and to me he looks like a Jack. So I already named him Jack. And he has blue eyes. Ooh. So yeah, so in disarray. Like, he's put together, he's not weighted, and I wanted him to be the first baby I paint. Look at him, he's so cute. He has the cutest hands and wrinkles and everything. Yeah, I'm not, like, I'm doing this one-handed, and I'm not being very nice, am I? I'm sorry, sweetie. We're just, ugh. As I said, it's just, it's kind of chaos. And I didn't dress him for the theme. I wanted to see what he looked like dressed. And, he's been sitting here ever since. Like I said, everything, this nursery was shut down, basically. I don't think I've ever been away from the nursery this long to let it, you know, be in such a disarray. So, and there's sports theme right there. Did I cover them all yet? Did I make up for all of them that I missed? Oh, I know there'll be a catch-up day. I'm gonna go write them down, and maybe I'll do a catch-up day. But I think I got most of them in. So, it's good to be back, guys. I really miss being in the nursery and sharing my babies with you guys and watching you guys' video. Like, I completely I felt horrible. So I just kind of fell off the world, basically. My phone wasn't working right. I wasn't working right. Just nothing was working right. I thought you'd rather look at these instead of the disarray. But yeah, these are they turned out cute. Yeah. So, now I gotta get this crib ready. I guess I'll just leave this blanket here so I can do my box opening of the new Paradise Gallery baby. I love them and their penguins. Of course, they borrowed these from their Paradise Gallery sisters because they actually have clothes. But they're not really doing a lot of Christmassy stuff, and it's harder to find this year. So, okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and hello to all my new subscribers. Like, I came back and there's a bunch of more people. So, welcome to my channel. So happy to have you. And stick around. There's a box opening for the next video and better videos. This one was just kind of like a spur of the moment. Like, let me just show them what's going on in the nursery before I just pop up with a box opening. So, we'll talk to you guys later, and thank you for watching. Bye.